Welcome students. Today we will discuss some questions which are very important from examination point of view, and definitely you will get a 4 marks question from this type which is based on applications of division algorithm for polynomials. Okay. In my previous classes of polynomial chapter, we had to have a discussion of that zeros were given to you and we had established a relationship between them, or we had also find the zeros of the polynomial, right? So now the question of the type that some zeros will be given to you of the polynomial, or some zeros you need to be find. So that type of question, okay, we will discuss today. So here we go for the first question of this type. So here we go for the first question, that is find all zeros of the polynomial, that is 2x raised to power 4 minus 3x raised to power cube minus 3x raised to power square plus 6x minus 2 if two of the zeros are root 2 and minus root 2. First of all, please focus on this polynomial which is having degree 4. Okay. So if it is having degree 4 means it can have maximum 4 zeros. 2 are already given to us. Need to find next 2 zeros. Okay. So here we go for the solution to find the next 2 zeros of this polynomial. Okay. Since 2 zeros are root 2 and minus root 2 of px. Okay, here the px is this. Okay, according to factor theorem, it says if x is equals to a is a zero of a polynomial, okay, then x minus a is a factor. Similarly, if root 2 and minus root 2 are the zeros of polynomial px, then x minus root 2 and x plus root 2 are factors of px. Okay, so if these two are the factors of px, then their product will be factor of px. Now we will take one example here. For example, 4 and 6 are factors of 48. Why? Because 4 completely divides 48 and 6 also completely divides 48. So these are the factors of 48. Now their product 4 into 6 is equals to 24 will also be a factor of 48 as it completely divides 48. Okay. Similarly, we can say the product of this thing, that is x minus root 2 and x plus root 2 will also be a factor of px. X minus root 2 into x plus root 2 is equals to x square minus 2. Okay, here I have applied the formula a minus b, a plus b, that is a square minus b square. Okay, that is equals to x square minus 2 is factor of px. Okay, here the px already which is given in the question, that 2x raised to power 4 minus 3x raised to power cube minus 3x raised to power square plus 6x minus 2. Okay. Now this is a factor of px, so definitely this will completely divide this and we will get remainder 0, and we'll get some quotient whose degree will be less than this px. Okay, so on dividing px with factor, the factor is x square minus 2, the remainder definitely will be equal to 0. Okay, so here we go for the divide. So now we divide the given polynomial px by x square minus 2. So I have taken here it is 2x raised to power 4 minus 3x raised to power cube minus 3x raised to power 2 plus 6x minus 2 inside, and here that is x square minus 2 as is acting as a divisor, so I have taken it as gx. This is px. Now step by step we will divide it. See. So first of all need to compare the first terms. See, here it is 2x raised to power 4 and here it is x square. To get a number to which the whole expression should be multiplied, okay, first of all I will divide this first term with this first term, that is 2x raised to power 4 upon x raised to power 2. After dividing, I got 2x raised to power 2, as this square will be cancelled out by this, and I left with 2x raised to power 2. So I wrote here 2x raised to power 2. Now this whole will divide with this. X raised to power 2 into 2x raised to power 2 is 2x raised to power 4. Minus 2 into 2x raised to power 2 is minus 4x raised to power 2. Here the next term is cube. We will skip this because we are having the literals x raised to power 2. So we will rewrite here. Okay, that is minus 4x raised to power 2. Okay, I will write as it is, and this will cancel out. Okay, and I left with this. The sign will change. Minus will change to plus as we are doing subtraction. So plus minus minus, I will left with here plus x raised to power 2, and I write same these things as it is same, that is 6x minus 2. Now the next step is again need to compare this thing with this. So I left with what I need to do is again I'm going to divide this thing with x raised to power. After dividing, I'll get 3x. Okay, as this thing will cancel out with this, and I have left with 3x raised to power 1, that is 3x. So I'll write minus 3x. Okay, similarly I will multiply this thing with minus 3x to get minus 3x cube plus 6x. I will write just down to the same literals. Okay, afterwards as the sign will change, this will again cancel out, and I left with this thing, it will also cancel out, and I left with plus x square minus 2. So this is already same, so I need to multiply with only 1 plus x square minus 2. The sign will change, and I'll get the remainder equal to 0. Okay, now we will apply division algorithm, which gives us the expression that is px is equals to gx into qx plus rx. From the division we got that is gx, we know already, that is x square minus 2, and we got the quotient, that is 2x raised to power 2 minus 3x plus 1, and the remainder we got, that is equals to 0. Now we will factorize these things, or we will split this thing, okay, by middle term splitting. Okay, so here I am doing it. See, 2x raised to power 2 minus 3x plus 1. I am factorizing by middle term splitting. See, as you all know how to do it. See, the product, I need to guess two numbers, so the product will be 2x square and the sum will be 3x. So that two number will be 2x and x, that is minus 2x and minus x. So I will write in terms of here, that is 2x raised to power 2 minus 2x minus x plus 1. Afterward I will distribute it into parts, and I will take common from here, that is 2x, I left with x minus 1. Similarly I will take minus 1 common from here, I will get x minus 1, and I will left with, and afterwards I will take common the things out, that is x minus 1 common, I will left with 2x and 1. So I can rearrange it, and I can write 2x minus 1 and x minus 1 are factors of this expression. Okay, so I am writing the same this thing here, that is 2x minus 1 x minus 1 instead of this. And this thing already we know that x square minus 2 can be written as x plus root 2 and x minus root 2. So we can conclude that 2x minus 1 x minus 1 is a factor of px, as the px is written in terms of its factors only, right? So according to factor theorem, 2x minus 1, according to factor theorem, 2x minus 1 can be written as x is equals to 1 by 2. Okay, so x minus 1 by 2 and x is equals to 1. From here is another two zeros of the polynomial px. So all the zeros of the given polynomial 2 were given to us, that is root 2 and minus root 2, and the two things we have already find from here, that is 1 by 2 and 1. Okay, just always remember this factors I have changed into zeros. by equating is equals to 0 and I got x is equals to 1 by 2. Similarly, I have equated x minus 1 is equal to 0 to get x is equals to 1 just by using factor theorem. So therefore, the zeros of the given polynomial px are root 2 minus root 2, 1 and 0. Okay, I think all of you have understood well. If not, please go through it once again. Thank you.